What is going on, guys? We have a surprise today. We're going to do another mod to the Hardbody. You saw us do the steering wheel before, but then today we're going to do something that's going to make it look a lot better from the outside. So let me open the gate right now. Brian should be pulling up sometime soon, and then we can show you guys what we have in store. Let's do it. Look what we got on the back.
I like the smell of fresh tires, dude.
Smells good. Got the ice cold AC. It only took a month for him to get it.
It's because everything is just from different parts, dude.
Yeah.
The compressors from a shuttle van. Oh, that's cold.
That's cool, dude. It's nice. Alright, so we got the wheels. He's gonna be running.
Yeah, I don't need to know what specs. No, I'm just kidding. Go ahead.
He's gonna be running 16x8, -5 offset. And then the tires that we're gonna put on it is gonna be a 205 40/16. So they should give it a nice little stretch. It's gonna look kind of like mine over here. I'm pretty sure mine's are a 16x8, and I'm also running 205 40/16. He's gonna run Federals, Super Steel 595. They're pretty good tires. They've been working good on the little Mazda, so they should look real clean on the Hardbody as well. So let's get those out, and then we'll test fit one of them so we can show you guys, and then we're gonna go ahead and move on to the coating, which will be a separate video, so you guys can catch that one later. I'll probably link to it either on the description or maybe at the top, so you guys can go and watch that video on just the coating, and then come back and see the end result on this one. So let's go. We have the wheel off. Eventually we're gonna drop the whole truck, so we're gonna potentially replace the spindles, which is a bit of a pain. I did it before. I had a different Hardbody, had a red one. It used to look really cool, but sold it to my friend, and then someone stole it from his driveway, which really sucks. But we're gonna also test this Muteki lug nuts. Honestly, they are the SR48. I personally don't like them. I think there's better lug nuts out there, but they fit perfect here. So we might run this ones on his truck for a little bit. So if you're looking for lug nuts for a Hardbody, remember you gotta get M12 by 125. That's the ones that are gonna fit in there. And you can find them anywhere, Amazon, eBay, any other online store. You should be able to find a set. I really like the 6-speed ones. Like I said, I bought the Mutekis. They kind of faded and started chipping away really easily. It was not worth the price in my opinion. But let me take these ones out. I'm gonna test fit the wheel. Twist it, yeah. Gonna look good.
Very good.
So we're gonna test fit them. So next we're just gonna try to take them, get the tires mounted, and then we're gonna put them on the truck. But first we're gonna get the wheels coated so they'll be ready, and then most likely tomorrow we'll go and get the wheels mounted. It is now the second day. Brian went to go get the tires mounted on the brand new wheels. I'm back home trying to get the tools ready so when he comes back we can just go ahead and get to work. He has some footage from the tires being mounted, so we'll probably roll that here in a second while we wait for him, and we'll get all ready.
Okay, so I'm on my way to go get the tires mounted and balanced now. I have them in the trunk, as you can see. So, see you in a bit.
Damn, they look good. So we have bought brand new bob stems and covers so we can have the full thing be chrome, just so it matches the whole wheel. But Brian says they just took them and they gave them new ones.
Yeah, they gave me new ones. So.
whatever, that works. Anyways, so it's time to put them on. Can't wait, they're gonna look sweet. Yeah.
I don't give a damn if I make money at least.
Don't forget to check the tires, boys. Look at this. They're like hella dry rotted. Does it say, where's the DOT number?
Right.
No.
Don't see it.
Oh shit, I don't see one either. That's how old they are.
Oh, right here. DOT 5MRW F7H.
I don't know what that means. That's not the... This is the old tire. As you can see, really dry rotted. It holds air, so that's good. But check your tires. Check your tires whenever you can. Let me see if it's on the back. Oh, there it is. 2307, dude. Fuck. So just to show a comparison, we said this was what, 2307? 07. So this tire was manufactured in the 23rd week of 2007. The way you check it, here we'll show you the brand new wheel. You see this number, 0920. That means it was made on the 9th week of 2020. Brand new tire. 13-year-old tire. I'm surprised this whole air, dude.
I know, dude. I'm surprised it hasn't gone out of me.
But they're about to look good. You want to do the honors and put that first one in there?
Yeah. I'm gonna do it with the valve face. I kind of want to have them like matching on each side. That way you can see like.
They're gonna mismatch after you drive for a little bit. Yeah, it don't matter. Whichever way. The reason why is because like if you turn or something, one might rotate faster than the other one. Woo, it's hot right now, but it's looking good. Let me show you guys. Look at that. Woo! It's all coming together now. Got little chrome wheels, little red lug nuts. He might change that later, I don't know. Maybe he'll get a red ones, but we got the chrome steering wheel, quick release. Starting to look real good now. So that's all we have today, guys, for you. We did the wheels, they look great. I think Brian's pretty happy with it. It looks a little funny, it needs to be a little bit drop some more, but we're gonna do that for another video.
That wheel gap, bro. You can fit your whole head in there.
You should try, dude. Hold on.
God damn. Embarrassing.
So we'll do the drop another time at a different video, but I think it looks good right now. Hopefully won't have no problems with this one. A lot newer tires too, instead of those 2007 tires. No more losing traction and everything, so it's looking good. That's all we have, guys. Thank you. Hopefully you guys like what we're doing. Leave a like or subscribe to us, or a comment if you want to see something specific, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.